You've wrapped your exhaust in DEI's titanium exhaust wrap, but you still need to keep your interior protected from all the heat that escapes the engine bay or the transmission tunnel. That's where the Floor and Tunnel Shield 2 will help keep you chilled. The 10mm aluminum barrier is tough. It's been heat tested up to 475 degrees for 30 hours and can handle direct heat up to 1750 degrees. The Floor and Tunnel Shield 2 is perfect for wrapping fuel cells, transmission tunnels, floor pans, under the vehicle, firewalls, and much, much more. It's been tested in the harshest environments. Not only can it handle heat, but it's also been tested in the winter of the Northeast, which included snow, freezing weather, water, and road grit. After over 100,000 miles, there was no recognizable fiber failure. The shield is aluminum, lightweight, and pliable. This means it can be stretched around just about any shape and stuffed into just about any area. It has very low water absorption, and it attaches with an aggressive self-adhesive backing. This adhesive is also water and wind resistant, so once it's on, it's on. So if you want to know more about DEI's Floor and Tunnel Shield 2, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.